who runs the world? Cake, vanilla cake, chocolate cake, cake filled with fruit, you name it, we're all up for it. For this chocolate lace cage, pipe the melted chocolate onto a Ziploc bag in any design you like and then transfer the bag to your cake. Who can resist a fun cake at a party? Not us for sure. Your kids will fall in love with this cookie monster cake. Puncture 2 holes at the bottom corner of your Ziploc bag, fill it with blue frosting, and pipe the cake. Did someone say cookies? After filling the mouth of our monster with cookies, add 2 jumbo marshmallows for the eyes and black candies for the pupils. For those moments when you have a crowd to impress, we have just the cake you need. Smash some green and blue Jolly Ranchers in a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin, then thinly slice your pears vertically and place them on a parchment baking sheet. Sprinkle and crushed Jolly Ranchers over the pear slices and bake them until the candies have melted. Layer the pear slices around the cake and your perfect cake is all set. Grab your apron and let's get creative with this up and away cake. Pipe little swirls of chocolate into a bowl of ice water and let them sit for a few minutes until they've hardened. Scoop out the swirls and place them over the cake so that they look like clouds. Lay a wafer cookie face down and make 2 diagonal cuts. Pipe some white chocolate onto the large piece of the wafer. Stick a toothpick in the bottom of your airplane cookie and stick it in the cake. Will You Be My Dum Dum cake is ridiculously easy to make, and what's more, it is delicious. Simply unwrap each Dum Dum sucker and place them around the perimeter of the cake. Here's another idea to help you on your quest to bake the perfect cake. It's called Hearts on Our Sleeves cake. Fold a large strip of parchment paper, then on the sides of the folds, cut out 4 halves of hearts. Wrap the parchment paper around the cake and press red sprinkles into the heart-shaped spaces before peeling the parchment away. Last but not least, we're presenting you the gorgeous Move Aside Monet cake. Pour out some drops of food coloring and almond extract into a dish. Place a piece of the baguette in the mixture. Stamp the piece of baguette all over the cake and go back in with the second color, then use a slightly damp paper towel to brush over the cake and mix the colors. Now put your apron on and get creative as hell.